Today I'm going to unbox and review this DeWalt pole saw.
So let's unbox it, check it out. Okay. Not even cut the tape or anything, so seems like that's about it. So I'm gonna guess that I don't even need instructions for this. So let's see how this goes. Okay, you can see it's keyed. See, this is keyed. You can see the electrical contacts in the center. Yeah, I mean, this looks pretty foolproof here. Let's see. Oh, I see. So you don't have to use that center section. Just if you want to extend it, you put that in there. See how long it gets. Get him. Okay. So they're keyed, they go one direction. And the arrows tell you they line up. So maybe disconnect it and show you what's going on. You don't need to see me waving this thing around. So here. It's humid out here, man. Everything's getting sweaty this morning. It doesn't come with any bar oil. It doesn't come with anything. I just ordered bare tools. So there you go. And then here's the connections on the inside. See, I thought maybe the other side's easier to see. You see how the electrical pins look symmetrical. Well, they are, but you see it's also, the shaft is keyed a certain way with a thick key over here and a thin one here, so it's only going to go together one way. And also you have an arrow right here and a corresponding arrow right here. You know, it's there's not one on the other side, so you line up the arrows, it's foolproof. You have a little tool right here on the side of the sheath, a little Allen key. Looks like you need that for adjustments here, but we'll check that out later whenever we run it. Alright, I'm about to cut a few limbs off this cedar tree, but first I need to put some bar oil on this thing. I guess I'll spin it around so you can see a little better. Just using what I have on hand for bar oil. The manual just says use the recommended stuff, so I'm using what I have. That's what I recommend. All right. There's a little line that you can barely see running around the top. They want you to fill it to there. I'm not going to quite fill it all the way. I'm not going to use it that much. Let's see how it works. Oh, probably need a battery for this thing. Let me do that. seems to work pretty well. I like it.